quick review, kind of a overall testing of a cordless pressure washer. We'll take that little thing off. Check this out. This is by a company, HP EVA. And it came in this really cool little package here, a little carrying handle on it like that. Kind of looks like a little suitcase. Let's just open it up here. Wow, look at all this stuff in here. Let me just kind of like get everything out. Looks like you've got a hose, some hardware, a little container for soap and stuff. What is this thing? Look at that marble. Wow, that's a pretty beefy battery right there, everybody. Look at the size of that battery. Oh, it's one of these that charges right there with the top. And then you get the actual pressure washer itself here. You see that right there, what that looks like. So yeah, let me go ahead and kind of set this up, read over the instructions, because you get everything right here with it. I'll do a little quick pressure washing on a car. So let's go ahead and set this thing up now. All right, everybody, I just got it all put together, and let me kind of show y'all exactly how this thing works. So I went over the instructions really good, and you get this piece right here, and you can see you mash in. This is the attachment piece for the end. It goes in like that. And this piece will go down, and it gives you several, a 15, a 25, a 40. It gives you several different types of like spray patterns coming out. But here's a thing that seems very interesting on it. Right here is the hose will go up into here. Let me see if I can untie it. You know what? I'll just take it back apart for y'all and show you. You see how you push that hose up on there like that, then you put this piece right here, up here like that, and that seems to tighten it down, and you just pop that on there like that. Very simple, super simple, and the battery just kind of like slides on like anything else. And on the back, you're going to get like, you can go up with the pressure, see 3, 4. The pressure goes all the way up to 30. Battery works there. And then on the other end, so you see this hose, you want to run this hose around, and check it out. You can have a 5-gallon bucket, or you can run this out of a faucet. So there's 2 ways of doing this. So you see, you're wondering how that thing stays down there. Remember that little ball? You see how that steel ball drops down in there like that? It's a weight that keeps the thing down in the bottom. You put that in there, screw it in there like that, and then look how that just drops down. Now it doesn't come out. How cool is that? And you get 5 gallons of water, or you could put this thing in a 55-gallon drum and run water all day long. So let me show you exactly how well this thing works. So, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, everybody, you have this little canister here, and I've got some car wash soap in there. You can see I didn't put much in there, and what that's going to do, that's just going to go on the end of it, and it's going to give you this soapy mixture coming out on the car for cleaning the car. So I will use that here in a minute, but let me show you using the pressure washer first, and then using the connector. You could add bleach, you could add any type of cleaner in there. What I did, I turned it all the way up to 30, so I've got this thing maxed out on 30. You got to be careful using all of the power, because you will like bring your battery power down. Let me bring it down to, I'm going to go on 20, and that way I don't use up so much battery. So here's 20, and I'm going to wash these wheels. Check it out. I've got it on the 40 spray pattern. This thing works extremely well for car washing. Grab the little soap canister right here, go in right there. Now check this out, everybody. Boom. Look at all that. Is that not awesome? This is extremely good for washing a car. And like I said, I did turn it all the way up. Look how I can go a little higher with it. We're on 30 right there. Add some car wash soap in here. This thing's a beast for this. All right, everybody, now that I've soaped it all up with my soap here, check it out. Turn it back, just pull that out like that. Wand right here, I'm gonna put it on 40. You can see right there, 40. And just wash it off, because I did wash it real good. And you could see it's pulling out of there. That's all I got today, everybody, on the HP EVA battery-powered pressure washer. See you guys in the next video. Woo!